In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your zoo photography into fine art using Darktable. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, transforming your photos into art can be a rewarding experience. We'll take a look at some key techniques for elevating your images to the next level. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is the workspace in Darktable where all the magic happens. It's your creative studio, your digital canvas, where every adjustment you make can bring your vision to life. Once your photo is open, we begin by using the crop and rotate module. This step is crucial for improving your composition and removing any distractions that might draw attention away from your main subject. Consider adjusting the crop to adhere to the rule of thirds, or perhaps aligning elements on diagonal lines for a more dynamic composition. Pay attention to the edges of the frame. Anything that doesn't enhance the story should be cropped out. Next, we move on to playing with light in your image. The exposure and tone equalizer modules will be your best friends here. Adjusting the exposure can bring out details in shadows and highlights to better define the subject. Meanwhile, tweaking the contrast helps in adding depth to your image, making the subject stand out more prominently. Also, fine-tune the highlights to ensure they aren't too harsh, maintaining a natural look. Color can transform an emotionless photo into an evocative piece of art. Activate the Color Balance RGB and Color Zones modules for this purpose. With Color Balance RGB, you can adjust the overall color palette of your image to either enhance reality or create a more stylized, dreamlike aesthetic. This is where you can experiment with hues and tones to set the mood of your artwork. With the Color Zones module, you can fine-tune specific colors, allowing you to emphasize or downplay certain areas that you'd like to give prominence or subtlety. For that fine art finish, enhancing details is key. The Local Contrast module lets you enhance textures and give the photograph richness and vibrancy without making it look artificial. Following this, use the Sharpen module to make sure the details of your subject are crisp and clear, drawing your audience's eye exactly where you want it. As an optional artistic touch, consider adding a subtle vignette or a fade effect. This will help to focus attention even more on the subject, centralizing them in the viewer's perception and often contributing to a professional, fine art feel. And that's how you turn your zoo photography into fine art using Darktable. Remember, the key to artistry is practice and patience. Experiment with these techniques, and over time, you'll develop your own unique flair that infuses personality into every image. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.